It's only a 3-year-old unit.
Yeah.
Last year I had to have some kind of, something was closed shut and the pipes were freezing. They had to replace that.
Oh, yeah.
It was on this unit here somewhere.
Can we go to the inside unit? Is that possible?
Yeah, it's down through here in the basement.
Let me get a drill.
Okay.
Go through here. Be right back.
All right.
Alrighty, and is it, we just waiting for it to turn on now?
You want to turn it on?
Yes, please. Alrighty, so you said this fan kicks off?
Yeah, like it runs for, I turned it on last night and it was running, you know, without the AC or anything on. And then like when I got home, it wasn't blowing out any air.
Okay.
I thought it was, you know, when I got it on, it's like, you know, 24/7.
Yeah.
So.
I'm gonna make my way to this outside unit.
All
see
right,
what's happening.
cool. I've been watching videos all day,
Oh, yeah.
like the top 10 reasons, you know.
Yeah.
But then I want to be able to throw in, you know, it's a 3-year-old unit too, and most people's, like, there's a lot on there old units.
Right.
And I was going to replace the capacitor myself.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I think I could do it.
Yeah, they're not too difficult if you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
If you don't, they can be a little spicy.
I didn't know if those fuses were bad in that box either. You'd think they have to be brand new. Is there any fuses in there?
No, this is it.
Oh, that's it? Okay. I saw one online had 2 of those fuses.
Yeah.
I used to have those. I came out here, I thought I had a genius idea. I thought there was a reset button where that fuse is.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I thought like, oh, maybe I can reset it, but then what's making it, you know, go off? The breakers didn't flip or anything like that. I wish I would have gone into this line of business.
Oh, yeah.
Honestly, dude, yeah. You make a lot of money.
Yeah, especially
If you go out on your own, you know?
Yeah.
So how'd you get it running?
Was it not doing that before?
No, the fan wasn't spinning at all.
Well, if that's the case, let this thing run for about 15 minutes. See what she's doing. Is happening, was happening. There was a dead bug right there where that
I
contactor
saw that on a video.
See, I've never ran into that. I was just
I
thinking,
saw that
I
on a
would
video
move that.
today. It was like a cobweb spider. Holy crap.
But I seen that was clicked in and it wasn't doing nothing.
Yeah,
So I was thinking it was a bad contactor.
right.
But I thought I'll go ahead and just move this bug just
Yeah.
in case. Because it wasn't sending any power through.
Yeah. To clear some of that stuff off in there.
So yeah, we'll let this charge.
Yeah, and I want to see how much
Stabilize.
gas is in it, refrigerant.
Yeah, yep. That's what we're checking here. So we're going to let it stabilize, see how we're looking.
So you don't have those gauges that hook up to the pipes. You have your phone.
So I do have
Yeah.
manual gauges.
But is that what those are for? The clamps?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
damn,
So
that's badass.
this just makes it nice. You can protect
Damn.
it to your phone.
Yeah.
You know, you ain't got to deal with all those hoses.
Right, right.
So-
Oh, that's crazy.
If we got to do something with the charge, then yeah, I will need those. They're in the
Yeah.
van.
Oh, yeah.
But for just checking it, makes it
Yeah.
real nice and simple.
Right.
That's what those probes were inside here. Connects to it as well. Tells me
Okay.
the air temperature and
Nice.
everything. So.
I got the half-inch filters too.
Okay.
Those, you know, the thinnest you can get.
Yeah. It's
hard as fuck to get back in there too.
It's not looking horrible.
Yeah, I just replaced it a little bit ago. I do it every month. It's a pain in the ass.
Yeah, I'll wait till I turn the system off and that'll help.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't want to turn that off yet. Let this stabilize a couple more minutes.
They replaced that fan too, so that's new.
The motor on it.
Yeah, whole thing. Because the old one didn't have enough power to push air into the upstairs.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it wasn't cooling. So I had to get a new furnace too.